In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign company owner in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update ownership on one or more company records, so your team can route work and follow-ups to the right person. Start by opening your web browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct HubSpot workspace and that you have permission to edit company records. Editing the company owner property typically requires at least edit access to companies. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left-hand sidebar and find the CRM section. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find features. Inside CRM, select Companies. This takes you to the Companies index, where you can see a table of all company records. If you don't immediately see the company owner column, don't worry. You can still assign owners from the toolbar, and you can customize columns later if you want that field visible in the table. Find the company you want to assign. Click the checkbox to the left of its name. If you're assigning multiple companies to the same owner, you can select several checkboxes at once to save time. Be sure you're looking at the correct view or filters so you don't miss any records you intend to update. After selecting at least one company, a toolbar appears at the top of the table. Click Assign. If the Assign option is grayed out, double-check that a checkbox is selected. Clicking Assign opens a panel where you choose which property to update. From the options, choose Company Owner. This tells HubSpot you're assigning that specific ownership field on the selected companies. In the User Picker, select the teammate who should own these records. If you don't see the person you need, they may not be a user in your HubSpot account yet, or your permissions may restrict visibility. An admin can help in that case. When you're confident in your selection, click Update to apply the change. HubSpot will process the update and show a confirmation. For bulk updates, give it a moment. You can refresh the table or open a company record to confirm the new owner is listed. Remember, clicking Update only affects the records you selected, and you can change ownership again later if needed. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, navigated to CRM and companies, selected your company, used Assign, chose Company Owner, and clicked Update. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in HubSpot.